Hi, my name is Andrew, and today I'm going to be showing you the garden, and we're going to be planting beets and these beautiful flowers. My two favorite colors, yellow, purple, and I have four. So yellow, purple, blue, and orange. So let's get to the stuff. So yeah, today we're going to be showing you the garden, and we're going to be planting beets. Fun. And plus, beets are good for you. I love beets. And green beans, yeah, I like them. Radishes, onions, tomatoes, and we're here. And look at our garlic. Like 3 days, at least last week, they were like this tall. But now, 1 week later, they're this tall. Stuff so goes fast. And our store-bought onions, doing pretty good. Guys, look, the king. It's the king. I have no idea where the queen is, though. I think this is the queen. Yeah. And look at these, baby. Yeah, I really don't know why the stuff in the middle isn't glowing, but you can see that we got this little guy, and I think that's a weed. Yeah, that's a weed. Get out. Our beets, carrots, lettuce. Man, they're doing good. If you're saying, if you're watching this, and you're saying, Andrew, that needs to be watered, it's so dry. But think again, because you have to, actually go under the soil. If it's dry, then you water it, but if it's not, not dry, then you don't have to water it. You actually gotta feel if it's dry or not. Because the water goes in the ground, it doesn't just stay above the ground. You actually gotta see if it's dry or not under the ground. And guys, look, our radishes. This one's pretty big. It's kind of like a carrot. I think in 2 videos we're gonna be pulling them out. Or this one. You never know. Yeah, we can't really see this one, but if you can see it right there. Yeah, this one's definitely not ready. Who's this guy? He looks good. Now, all of this. So pretty. So guys, this is my potting area. We're gonna be seeing this a lot this year because we have a lot of stuff to be potting. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be using. Yes, all of this stuff is doing pretty good. So guys, this is our beginning of this nursery. Okay, please give a big round of applause. Yippee! Okay, now let's get potting. So guys, you're probably wondering what we're going to be planting. Beets. Yummy. I can just eat them from seed up. So you guys know the drill. I'll show you how to do it quick. Get dirt. Okay. Now we just gotta get the seeds in my hand. We're gonna put 3 in each slot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're putting 3 in because like they like to grow together. Like when this guy grows, we're gonna pull him out when he's big. When these two grow, we're gonna pull one out, then another, and just keep doing that. Done. And it's gonna save space in our garden, and we won't have to put them in a row. So now we just gotta cover them back up, and then that will be the end. Oh no, it's so fast. Now that's definitely too much, right? So we're just gonna be just getting rid of some of the extra dirt, panning it down. Now, I guess we're just gonna put them right over here. Right there. Perfect. Now we have to water it. You gotta let it soak in for like a minute or two. When when it seems dry, then just water it again. And you only do that 2 times, so now we're just gonna let it sit. So who's your pioneer? I hope you got the seeds safely through the mail. You're welcome. So make sure to tell all of your friends about me. Share me on Facebook when you're on it. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.